The bridge that crosses over the Winooski River, connecting Winooski and Burlington, will be replaced with a wider bridge that has improved travel lanes for cars and buses and paths for bicycles and pedestrians. The project will also improve the roads and traffic signals on the Burlington side of the bridge at the Riverside Avenue, Colchester Avenue, Mill Street, and Barrett Street intersection. Construction is expected to start in 2027 and finish in 2030. Bicyclists and pedestrians will be able to cross the river at the bridge location during construction. Also, during construction, there will be signs directing cars and buses to other roads to safely cross the river at a different location. More information about the project will be provided before the start of construction and during construction. For further information, please visit the project website by scanning the QR code shown on this video, or go to this website.